What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So what we have here is a 2010 Buick LaCrosse. So customer brought it to me, making a roaring noise when driving. Sorry about the video, but so basically what we're gonna do right quick, figure out which one of these wheels in the back is making noise. Is it the driver's side or the passenger side? So I'm gonna try to get this as close so y'all can hear. Y'all won't be able to feel. I already test drove it, so I know it's coming from the back. So that's pretty loud. So, I don't know if y'all can hear that. Let's hop on to the other side and see. So I just hear some brake noise. That's it. So looks like the driver's side rear is the one that's making noise. So let's look at it again. Make sure. Yeah, I can hear it back and forth. Go and get this last look at off. Fuck these lug nuts. If you're a mechanic and you don't like these fucking nutshell ass lug nuts, god damn. Throw this shit in the trash. Whoever designed this shit, shit. You need to throw all these hoes at his ass right now. Throw them at his head. You know? Let's get a little closer. So it's definitely this side. So, all right, stay tuned. We're gonna get this all broke down, front and rear, because we gotta do some brakes as well. And then we'll get this settled. All right. What's going on, guys? First things first, subscribe to the channel, like this video. So how to diagnose a bad wheel bearing. So first thing first, test drive, figure out where the noise is coming from, front or rear. Take your wheels off, spin the wheels, spin the rotor, identify and replace part, and then retest it. But as you can see, this one right here is no good. But like I said, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and we'll be uploading the next video of me replacing this part. So stay tuned, go watch the other video. Appreciate it. All right, welcome back. So I went ahead and pulled the caliper, the rotor off. That way y'all don't gotta watch all that. But so you will have to, let me see if I can get in there. Remove this upper control arm right here. This one right here. Pull this bolt out. There are 3 bolts at the back. See if I can get in there and show you. Probably hard to see, but there are 18s. So once you get the 18s out, then you can pull the wheel bearing out and replace it with the new one that's right here. And like I said, there you go. That's your noise. Make sure you, like I always say, test drive. That way you can determine where the noise is coming from. You know, if it's a brake noise, bearing, you know, bad tire, you know, just gotta do your, put your ears on. But let's go ahead and jump into this. So I'm gonna put the camera down, see if I can get in here and get this stuff off. Y'all don't gotta spend all day with me, cause it's hot. I don't wanna go inside. One. Don't have a lot of room to get no air ratchets in here. The other one. Take the punch. Get it out of there. Go. Get to this other one. it. Caps. A lot of times I'll put them in my hand. Put that bearing in. All that stuff off. Thought I had some track brake, but I don't. I must have used it all when I did that motor. So I thought it go pick me up some. So sit your bearing on there, line it up with your holes. But first thing first, don't forget this. Yeah. Damn it. Stay tight. On the bolts coming up. or noise. All right, y'all, so we have finished up. Just drove the vehicle, seated the brakes, and make sure we didn't have any roaring noise. So far, so good. So I'm gonna call them, let them know that they can pick it up. And like I said, appreciate y'all watching. Subscribe to the channel, like this video. All right, stay tuned for the next.